ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन है। आप पूरा वीडियो देखिएगा, आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है, आई गारंटी। और अंत में मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा।
At 22, when I went to Miss India, I had to borrow money. But after being a Miss India finalist, I had no job, so I went to the first McDonald's ever opened as Smriti Malhotra, that was my maiden name. And I used to sweep floors there and wash the dishes for 1800 bucks a month after being a Miss India finalist.
But you could have been a model, you could have walked the ramp.
Yeah, that was easy, I guess.
You didn't want to do that.
No, because I never wanted to be known for my physicality.
But then you went for
I didn't want to be. I went to Miss India because that was the only space my father could not pull strings.
the other places he could.
Yes. Media was the only sector where he knew nobody. So I went to the one space where the success or the failure would be mine.
Okay.
So what Times of India gave me at that time was a shot at freedom.
And you started setting your own rules from then on?
No, I think I started at 17. When you are judged at 17 for 200 bucks, that is more harsh. By the time you're 22 and you're a finalist, you're supposed to be a so-called beauty. Which makes it worse, but still, it's better than being on the roads for 200 bucks a day.
So you didn't, after McDonald's, you didn't ever think that, the money would be better in modeling or films or something?
I was very clear I couldn't run around trees. I was very clear. I could not stand behind a hero who did a banyan ad. That was not me.
So then what?
I got a shot at Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi because the paycheck per day was more than what I made in a month. So I was not interested in being a star. When I walked in, the male actor got 10 times more than I did. And I was very conscious of the fact that I could not afford to not have that job. But I knew that by the first year when my contract ended, I could negotiate a pay scale better than the man. So they had to change 4 male actors.
A historical report given that the sitting president of the Indian National Congress was never defeated before that.
But it's time to get over it.
To move on? Have you moved on? I want to ask you, when you look at
I think you
Rahul
met
Gandhi-
me a day after my results were declared.
Yes.
And I didn't seem particularly jubilant. I was very, very stoic. And you were disturbed even then.
That's true. You always surprise everybody by coming
Because if you're
up.
not to be bogged down by failure, why should you be so ecstatic about success?
That's true, but there are people who are even ecstatic with failures.
They are, and it is their democratic right to be delusional.
So I want to ask you, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been complaining that there's no longer any democracy even inside Parliament. As leader of opposition, he's not being given his chance to speak.
Isn't that an old complaint?
ये पहले तो बाहर का था, अब अंदर का है.
I think that there's a very old adage, old saying, that you can never demand respect, you need to command it. And for you to command respect enough to have Parliament emulated across the world.
Is this fulfilling? Is this so time consuming? Are you enjoying
Meetings with the UN and come back for the Delhi campaign and go to Bhavana and Silapuri. So my life is pretty sorted that way.
and Bihar?
Of course,
Bihar elections coming up?
any election that comes up, not essentially only legislative assembly elections, but any time the organization calls me for an assignment, I'm always available, I'm always present.
So Smriti Irani, I won't.
We should not confine ourselves to pleas or pleadings which have forever defined how we speak about women and the cause of gender. I think the new reality that we are confronted with is the disruption technology will bring, especially in the lives of nations. काम के लिए people should not. I have no such delusions that I suffer from. That people that I meet in politics when I'm in a position of power are going to be friends for life. Delhi is a great level
I've
of
never seen
anybody.
this question asked for men. Normally men don't do this to each other.
I believe that
Life is a plethora of opportunities, and each opportunity either attains you with success or failure. It depends on you how long a journey would you like to undertake. I love every moment, every opportunity. So this new redefined Smriti that you possibly think will break shackles of the old systems or old memories that I've been a part of is just the same old Smriti.
So let me ask you, how does it work for a politician? You know, you've been in the thick of things, in the thick of politics, taking on just opponent over the last decade or so.
To genuinely answer your question, I'll have to refer to a journalist who's not a part of your group, but in fact retired from journalism and started podcasts. There's this gentleman known as Kamlesh Singh. He speaks in Hindi. It's called Tau. And he did this piece where he referred to my style of politics. And he spoke about the fact that kuch zyada hi kaam kar diya. I actually called him to say thank you, and he got a bit frightened because he thought that I'll give him a piece of my mind. But I told him that for the first time in 2 decades of me being in Indian politics, somebody gave me a new perspective. I led my whole 2 decades in BJP and in Indian politics, looking at politics as an opportunity to serve.